Hello guys, today we learn what is ternary operator in C. Requirement: you have to run the code, Visual Studio Code, MinGW compiler and installation of C plus extension in Visual Studio Code. Now let us see what is ternary operator in C. Ternary operator in C is an operator which takes three operands or variables. Ternary operator in C, also known as the conditional operator. First we will see what is operand. Let us see. An operand is the part of instruction representing the data manipulated by the operator. For example, when you want to add two numbers, the numbers are operand and plus is the operator. Syntax: you may say that we have defined two variables, integer a and b, initializing a value 20, b value 30, and here integer total a plus b. Here you can see a is the a and b is operand and plus is the operator, and total we define a variable data type integer which print the total value of a plus b. Now here you will see the ternary operator in C is the operator which takes three operands or variables. So it is way to shorten the simple if else code of the block. If we have if else code, so simply you can write ternary operator. Here we can see syntax of ternary operator: expression 1, question mark, expression 2, colon, expression 3. See what is expression 1. Check the condition. If condition of expression 1 is true, then this value expression 2 will be print. If the condition of expression 1 is false, then expression 3 is printed. Let us see with an example. Now I need to find maximum from two given numbers. Let us see example here. I've defined integer a equal to 20, b equal to 30, and you also see expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3. So I have defined another number which data type integer max number, and here you can see a greater than b question mark a colon b. Here you can see if a greater than b means a value 20 and b value 30. Here you can see 20 greater than 30, that is false. So in this case only b means 30 value of variable will be print. So after that I have printf the maximum number is %d and max number. So in this case the value of max number is 30 will be printed. So you can see very easily like a greater than b means if condition is true, then this value will be print. If condition is false, a greater than b, then b value is print. Let us see with example. First open Visual Studio Code. Here I have opened Visual Studio Code, and listen there we have like C program workspace. Click on this. Now go to folder C program and click on new file and put the name of the program like ternary operators, and put the extension .c. Click this one. Here you can see our program name is ternary operator.c. Need to now here you can see include stdio.h, that is header file, integer main, integer a 20, b 30, and here I have write ternary operator like a greater than b question mark, then print a, otherwise b. So I've defined this value will go in max number which is data type integer, and that max number will be Here like printf maximum number is %d space formatter and max number. So whenever now run the conditions and run the code, means our program is not saved. You can see there is some dot mark highlighted presses. So now only close mark will be appear. So run it again after saving through control s. Run the code. Now you can see the maximum number is 30, means v value be printed here. If I change this initialization of variable, like I put a equal to 30 and b equal to 20, in 20, b equal to 20. In this case, a greater than 2 means 30 greater than 2, that is true. Means value of a will be print, means max number will be 30. So run it again the code and you can see now the maximum number is 30, means value of a will be print here. So you can see here how can we write ternary operator and implement in C. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.